Hello and welcome. You will learn what is writing jobs online and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. What is Writing Jobs Online? Writing Jobs Online is a website where you'll be able to make serious amount of money by writing articles for other companies as a freelance writer. You can start working as soon as you register with the website. The best part here is that you don't work for just one employer, you are free to work for different and many employers at the same time. You also have the privilege to work from the comfort of your home. You will be earning $30 to $120 per hour. What is paid online writing jobs? According to paidonlinewritingjobs.com, they are the leading part-time employer of internet writers. It offers to pay you to create articles and tales online. In addition, according to the official website, they pay you to edit books and scripts, write evaluations of sites, and create blog articles. You need to following 3 easy steps to get started. The first step is to become a VIP member. Then, you simply have to look through the hundreds of writing jobs on their database. The last stage is to complete the assignment and be paid. There are some comparable sites giving employment, high money, easy work, and countless advantages, including paid social media jobs, paid surveys, and paid email services, just to mention a few. Once inside, you will get some short training, a few PDFs, and a few connections to other credible sites where you can locate these employment if you are lucky enough. You see, paid online writing jobs functions as a broker between you and those websites. This is where the difficulty rests. You may join all of these sites for free. An internet job does not need you to pay anyone. Is paid online writing jobs a scam or legit? When you join paid online writing jobs, you're promised access to exclusive high-paying work offers and freelancer training. But what you actually get is a few low-quality ebooks and job ads scraped from publicly available writing job sites. They don't have a step-by-step training system, support system, or genuine writing tasks, and to expect individuals to pay for this is illegal in my opinion. If I went out and grabbed a number of recipes from various food websites and then charged people for access to them, that would be the same thing. So what if I just copied and pasted exercise regimens from fitness blogs onto my website, put a link to Google Maps so people could find gyms near them, and paid them $27 to become fit? This is much like what the crooks at Paid Online Writing Jobs have done. PaidOnlineWritingJobs.com has been used for over a decade by fraudsters who prey on those who want to work from home by offering them useless garbage like this. Paid online writing jobs cons and complaints. Number 1. You'll be charged for free jobs. How much can you expect to pay to discover freelance writing gigs on a reputable platform? Not in my opinion. Almost every website on the internet has a section for free writing work. There is a $27 fee to use these guys' services. To put it another way, it doesn't make sense to me. Number 2. You can't get rich with paid online writing jobs. Writers and editors can make money from their work. As a result, it's not reasonable to expect to be wealthy. The greatest way to make money is not through online jobs like these. Getting a high-paying job will require a lot of work experience. Starting off, you may be able to earn a few dollars. Number 3. There are a lot of upsells. Paid online writing jobs, like any other ClickBank product, has a number of upsells. You must pay a hefty upfront fee of $27. A few $100 upsells are also available. If you're honest, you'll get nothing but books and materials about freelancing in return for your money. Benefits of joining writing jobs online at home. When you join writing jobs online, you will work at home, make money no matter where you are in the world, Get paid to write articles, blog posts, ebooks, and many more. Choose from thousands of jobs daily from different subjects. Flexible work hours, work when you want to. Highest paying writing jobs, guaranteed. Fast payments via PayPal, checks or wire transfer. Earn up to $30 to $120 per hour. Get paid up to $50 per article. Get paid up to $500 to $1,000 for short ebooks. Get cash from thousands of our daily high-paying writing jobs. Is writing jobs online for you? Honestly, not anyone will be qualified for this opportunity. You must have a minimum standards of writing skills in order to be able to write for major companies such as CNN and the New York Times. Otherwise, all your low-quality articles will be refused. Writing Jobs Online is affiliated with some of the biggest writing corporations. No doubt that such companies only deal with high-qualified writers. You will write for corporations such as Fox, TMZ, CNN, and the New York Times. So every new writer has to have a standard beginning. You just don't jump into writing and get affiliated with such big companies. So be aware and make sure that you meet these standards before joining. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your writing jobs online today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.